Welcome back to my channel, you know what I'm saying, gang gang.
Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Y'all, look at my brushes. They haven't been cleaned in so long. Okay, so guys, these are all of my brushes. I have not cleaned my brushes in a really long time. I know that's not good, but today I was like, my skin is looking good and I'm not trying to kill my skin. So I was like, today before I do my makeup, I'm actually gonna clean my brushes. So these are all the brushes that I have. Today I'm gonna be using Dove soap. Now I watched a tutorial on YouTube and she used Dawn, but I was like, why would I use Dawn if I don't use Dawn on my face? Why won't I just use something I already use on my face? So I decided to use the Dove Sensitive Skin Body Wash, and I'm gonna put this inside of this water. I microwave this water for about a minute and 30 seconds, so it's not burning hot, but it's hot enough. It's gonna get the grease and everything out. So I'm gonna do about a good, I don't know, until I feel like it's enough. And then I'm gonna stir it up with the end of one of these brushes just to make sure it's all soapy. Make sure everything in there is dissolved. And another reason I decided to use Dove was because someone says that the Dawn loosens up the glue in the brushes and it'll ruin your brushes, so it'll make all of this come apart. So I was like, okay, well, today I'm going to be using this Dove, so we're going to see how this is going to be working. We're going to see how this is going to work. This is my first time ever cleaning my brushes, period. My mom did it for me before, and I said, I'm going to take it upon myself today. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start putting the bigger brushes in first. I can already see some of the dirt starting to give. Look. So that's good. And guys, I have really sensitive skin, so I'm gonna let you guys know if this method helps or if it breaks me out, because it's not gonna spare me at all. If it does not like this method, it's gonna let me know immediately. So I'm gonna let you guys know about that. So now that all the bigger brushes are in, I'm gonna start putting in the smaller brushes. Okay, so now that all of the brushes are in there, I'm just gonna start moving them around a little bit to get some more of that dirt out, just maneuvering them, making sure, you know, it's working. And I got a clear cup because I'm pretty disgusting. I wanted to see what it was gonna look like from the bottom. So this is what it looks like. Wow. It's a lot of dirt in there. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna let this sit for about a good 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and start actually rinsing them out. Okay, so it's been about 15 to 20 minutes, and all of the brushes seem to have, I guess, released all of that dirt and makeup. So we're gonna start rinsing them out. So I'm gonna take it out one by one, rub it against the sink, make sure everything is good and out of it. Then I'm gonna run some cold water and just push the makeup out. So this is what this brush is looking like. It's looking all clean and everything, and I'm just gonna lay it on this towel I have over here to dry. So I'm gonna repeat the exact same process on every last single brush. Okay, so I have got all of the brushes cleaned out and rinsed out. So this is what the water ended up looking like. It's pretty much my skin tone. Look, it's pretty much the color of my makeup. So I'm about to just pour this out. You guys probably will find this super satisfying, so that's why I included it. But yeah. It's a day later and all of my brushes are dry now. As you guys can see, the white ones are back white. I don't know when the last time I seen white on the tip of these brushes. I mean, it's kind of gray, but you guys get the point. Even the ones that I use like on a daily basis, they're still a little stained, but a lot of the makeup came out. So I'm pretty impressed with this method. I haven't used the brushes on my face yet, but I will be sure to update you guys in the comments and tell you guys how my face reacted. But yeah, this pretty much concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please do not forget to thumbs this video up and also comment down below and tell me what you guys want to see next, and tell me if this method works for you guys. Subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too. Period. But I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye.